In this video, I will show you how you can fix the overheating problem on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now if your phone is brand new, you will feel overheating during the first couple of days of use because your phone will be indexing files and installing updates in the background. But if it has been more than a few weeks, and if you're still facing the overheating issue, then to fix this problem, first of all, make sure you use Samsung's original charger to charge your phone. If you use a third-party charger or charger which is not supported by Samsung, this will not only cause the overheating problem, but this will also harm your phone. So make sure you use the original charger to charge your phone. Also avoid using your phone while it is charging, especially avoid doing heavy tasks on your phone while it is charging, like recording videos or playing games. And also avoid using your phone in direct sunlight, because not only the direct heat from the sun will heat up your phone, but you will also be using your phone in full brightness and this will heat up your phone. Now after that, just go to settings, and under settings just scroll down and tap on device care. From here, if you scroll down a bit, you will find the option for performance profile. Just tap on it. Now instead of standard, just select light. Now after you select light, your phone will prioritize the battery life and the cooling efficiency over the processing speed, and this will help in fixing the overheating issue. After that, just go to your home screen and open the control center. And in the control center, just turn off any settings which you're not using. For example, if you're using Wi-Fi and if you're not using mobile data, just turn off mobile data. And the same goes for Bluetooth, location services, and all the other settings in your control center. Now after you've done that, then just go back to settings, and in settings, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on software update. From here, just tap on check for updates and check if you have any update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your Samsung phone, because sometimes these issues can be caused because of a software glitch and they will be fixed by a software update. And this is how you can fix the overheating problem on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.